Hi dear ladies, how are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so you all are fine and enjoying the good conditions of your health. So dear ladies, today I am back again with another amazing and beautiful collection of summer wear. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some awesome collection of summer wears, crochet styles, top designs, blouse designs, shirt designs. So in this video, you will be find out different and amazing styles of top shirt designs. So if you love to wear crochet styles, if you love to wear crochet lace styles, top shirt designs, blouse designs, so this video is going to be absolutely very helpful for you. You will get new ideas and new designs from this video. So must watch this video till the end. Amazing collection, amazing styles, amazing designs of top shirt designs, blouse design you will be find out in this video. You will be find out shirt style designs, straight cut top designs, short top designs, crop top style designs within crochet made, crochet lace styles. Try these top shirt designs with jeans, with skirts. Amazing collection, amazing styles, amazing designs of top shirts. I love all these designs and I hope so that you will love these too. So if you are loving these designs, dear ladies, dear girls, please do support me by sharing my video, and if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my notifications. So after getting my notifications, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. You will get notifications all of my videos. I'm very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support. Thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel, for your positive feedback on my videos. So keep supporting me, keep sharing my video and keep visiting on my channel. For more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more designs, dear ladies, girls, please do visit on my channel and check the other collection. I have already uploaded a huge collection on my channel, so you will be find out top designs, blouse shirt designs, crochet made styles of dresses for ladies and girls, crochet made top shirt designs, crop top styles, mother of the bride dresses, party wear dresses, summer wear dress design ideas for ladies, for girls, workwear dress design ideas for girls, for ladies, shoes collections, bags collections, so a lot of new ideas you will be find out on my channel. So please do visit on my channel and check the other collection. I hope so those videos will also be useful for you, helpful for you, and you can get new ideas and new designs of dresses from those videos. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection. So as you can see different and amazing styles of top designs, you will be find out cushion made styles, patchwork styles, lace fabric styles, short top designs, blouse designs, shirt style designs, straight cut top designs. Carry out these dresses for your summer wears. Amazing collection, amazing styles, amazing designs. I love all these styles, I love all these designs, and I hope so that you will love these too. So thank you so much dear ladies, dear girls for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. Till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye till the next video.